Hello guys, Tech Everything's here. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix a RAM of CPU. So first we open the one side cover of the casing, then to my advantage I will position it. So now position done. This is the RAM. The RAM I bought is 8 GB DDR3. Look at this. Okay, so now we will clean the slots with a brush. Okay, done. I will set it now. It has a groove in the middle, so make sure it matches with the slot. Okay, done. So friends, if you like the video, so share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. So friends, I am leaving now, but one thing, stay well and keep well.